DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money.
Okay, it's pad time, baby. First, I gotta clean everything up. Whoops. This is the best brush. Green brush. I think it's Bass. Yeah, there we go, Bass. These fucking things are great. Okay. Let's clean it up. Probably go that way. I am gonna have to put a tarp on here because there's not a lot of bird shit. A lot of bird shit. Bird feather. Okay. We are gonna go this way. Ooh, more leaves. Great. Alright. I'm gonna go this way. And I'm gonna let it stick out a little bit because I'm gonna split the seam. So when I do this one, because I'm gonna put 2 layers on, okay? So the seam, I don't want the seam to be in the same spot on both layers. So I'm going to have it even with this end, but wow, I wonder if I got enough. Yeah, it should be enough. So cool. Good enough. Well, I got bird shit on that already. So let's tack this down. These are great. Ain't that nice? Tack each. Ooh, I might have screwed up. Didn't come over far enough. Great. I might have to put a piece in there now. I need my knife. Bingo baby. Step one done. Gotta get my knife. Knife. Gotta still put a carpet strip here. Further away. I think they could make sharp razor blade. This one's brand new. Maybe they just don't last very long. Damn. It's easier tearing this. Fuck. Like I said, a brand new blade. Probably cut this. Maybe not. Some people like to watch every detail, you know? I'm gonna bring out a kitchen knife. My kitchen knives are sharper than this shit. I got kitchen knives that are sharper than a razor blade. How do you like that, huh? Whoa. Getting seasick. Damn. Really? Have fun with the carpet if this is as much fun. Okay. One layer of half of it done. Probably put a piece right there. Cut that out. Yeah, I'll just put a piece there. Does feel softer. Oh man. You know what? I think I'm just going to put the second layer on top. No, I can't. Probably should have staggered this one this way, then I could have put the second one on top. Because I'm not ready for this part yet. Interesting. I just found out I'm out of pad anyway. So it don't matter. Okay. Kablomp. Oops. That poked right through, didn't it? I don't even know if I'm putting the right side down or not. Carpet is so much fun, isn't it? Okay. Cut that out. I'm using a hammer to hammer some of these down. I don't think I hit it hard enough. I wonder if that's made for that. Let's cut this out. Let's get the rough cut. Damn, I can't believe how dull this is. I don't know if it's dull, but it certainly isn't cutting very good. Alright, that done. Okay, first layer of pad down, more or less. Yeah, some of these are sticking up. I have to fix that. We need to hit it harder. I don't know. Okay.
Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. Um, and it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.